Hello everyone, my name is Shravan and today I'm going to explain about my project AI powered fruit plucking drone. So this project is to help farmers to reduce labor cost and to increase harvest speed. Has this process is done with minimized fruit damage and it also optimizes the yields. So the benefits are efficient, increased efficiency. Has automated fruit plucking significantly speeds up the harvesting process, reducing the time to gather the crop and low labor cost. It reduces the manual labor cost, cutting down the wages and associated expenses. Optimize yields. And the drone precision plucking minimizes fruit damage. So it ensures which fruit are ripened and which is not. And what are the tech stack and development we have used? For front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is to show the real-time data of how the fruit is plucking from the tree, and how many fruits are being plucked, and what is the efficiency of the drone. So for the backend, we use YOLO, OpenCV, and TensorFlow. This is YOLO is object detection model. We use it is present in the drone, so we use it to detect the fruit. And hardware. The onboard hardware we use are camera, robotic arm, and we also many things and deployment. Testing in control environments for optimized performance. Yeah, we also test in 2D simulation. First, system architecture and interaction. First, how the system architecture works. There are three steps in it, like users input and output. The users, as we know, they are farmers, and the farmers input the harvest settings, what are the type of the fruit, and the AI model receives the real-time image of the data. AI sends plucking coordinates to the drone delivers a fruit to collection point, and farmer receive performance reports. This is the system architecture. So this is the system architecture diagram, how it works. As you can see on the left hand side, there are three components: LiDAR, RGB camera, and depth sensor. The depth sensor is used to calculate the distance between the drone and the fruit, and the RGB camera, is used to record the fruit, the image of the tree, and we're going to take image of the tree. We're going to calculate the coordinates, and we're going to add the depth data to it, and we're going to send them to first. We're going to send them to YOLO model. The YOLO model gonna distinguish if it's a ripened fruit or not, and then we're going to send it to ROS and OpenCV. ROS is a robotic operating system, so it's gonna detect the optimized path to get there. And OpenCV, it's gonna detect the fruit. It's gonna make some changes to the image of the fruit, and we're gonna send it to Jetson Nano. It is the microprocessor. It will do all the YOLO model, all the processing, and we're gonna communicate to our land using different types of network, wireless communication using Wi-Fi. Yeah, and data acquisition and AI processing. As data acquisition, first we're going to capture high-res pictures of the fruit data. Our initial data set is of 1,000 plus images. And data pre-processing. Images are resized, normalized. Data augmentation improves model robustness. Data is split into training, validation, and testing sets. And for AI training, we're going to use YOLO V8. We are thinking about using YOLO V8 object detection model. We're going to fine tune it for accuracy and speed. And that's it. Thank you.